What's going on, YouTube? This is my first 4K haircut tutorial. We're going to bring this guy's beard back up to where it usually is before his wife cut it during quarantine. But it's alright. Take your foreguard all the way around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Product reviews, haircut tutorials, all kinds of good stuff. My blackout and his TL liners, man. My favorites. Start the back taper. Take out all the neck hairs. Get in there with your shaver nice and close. And I always follow up back with the trimmer after using the shaver so I don't have to struggle taking out any lines. Then I go use my one guard or my half all the way open blade, whatever you want to call it, and start my taper. One and a half right there, one guard all the way open. These are the Wall premium guards, by the way, which fit pretty good on these Babyliss clippers. It's a half guard. We got the 3 guard. We're gonna start blending into the 4. I have no idea what's going on behind me. Focus on the haircut, guys. Or actually in front of me. Leave a comment if you guys like the 4K videos any better. Takes a lot longer to upload. I don't know if there's a big quality difference, but go ahead, comment. Now we're gonna do a little clip over comb under the 6 that we use. No guard on, just full clip, all the way open. We're not gonna do a skin taper. He likes his beard connected all the way to his hair. So it's gonna be a half right there. Take your one, open it up. So we don't want to push his beard back any, so we're going to start lining up the baby hairs that are growing back all the way on the outside. Just barely get it. Take the 1.5 wall guard. Start lightening up the taper. We're going to use that same guard to lighten up the beard line. This is a 2 guard. We're going to take out that darkness in the bottom. Alright guys, pull the hair straight towards you when you're doing this. This is so the hair will lay down nice and even. So don't just cut straight up. You're gonna go in there and pull towards you, and that will leave it a little bit longer so that it will lay down nice. Go ahead and subscribe to your boy, man. 4K video for you guys. 30 minutes to upload this bad boy. Pull the skin every time you go with the razor. Now we're going to do some detail work. He doesn't want a skin taper, but we're going to try to lighten it up to make it blend nice. Corner the blade. here's a cool technique. We're gonna wet the hair, and we're gonna use our thinning shears to just hit the bulk area. What this does is, without cutting all the hair, this just, what's the word I'm looking for? It takes out bulk without cutting the hair, you know, so that it's still there, you know. That's a horrible way of explaining, but it's lightening up the darkness. So we're gonna take a 1/4 inch off top. We're gonna make a guideline go all the way to the front. Now we're gonna follow that guideline and come back. You can also cross-reference your work by going vertical and seeing if there's any long or short hairs to try to get it as close as possible. Throw a little product in his hair. My man said he wanted to look like Ricky Martin. You know what I'm saying? I think we got him. Alright guys, if you made it this far, I hope you learned something, or at least enjoyed the video. Either way it goes, I appreciate it. I'll be back next week with another one. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, please. And we have product reviews, haircut tutorials, a bunch of good stuff. I'm out.